help us more richer. Diba? So if you are familiar with this application on screen, no? So probably you are into it already. So this is now the trend, no? This is now one of the biggest major trend, and also almost everything, no, are using this one, no? So uh these applications, no, contains in it, no, AI in action. But the question is, are we making money using this technology? Or baka naubos yung pera natin at saka oras natin by using artificial intelligence. Di ba? And then, good news, no, today, we are going to introduce a company, no? A company that is based on AI. Yung foundation nila is AI, no? A company called Aurum Foundation, no? Na isang decentralized company na gumagawa ng mga products that are powered by AI, no? They are called finance company, no? Fintech or AI finance company na yung mga produkto nila, no? Ay puro mga AI powered crypto products na ang purpose, no, is to help us, no? Tulungan po tayo, tulungan po yung pera natin na mag-grow through digital assets so that we can earn to the level na gusto natin, no? Baka may project na tayo na gustong tapusin na kailangan ng pundo, or gusto mo lang ng extra income para makapag-travel ka, may gusto kang bilhin, or gusto mong pang-retirement, or if you want mas higher ideals. You want financial freedom. Kasi financial freedom, it doesn't mean na ano yan eh, you want to work because you want to. You don't need to, no? So gusto nating enjoy yung ating life without financial constraint. So ano ba yung mga products ng Aurum Foundation? May totoong mga products ma. So first, no? Ito yung first product natin, tinatawag natin itong crypto cards. No, this crypto cards is the bridge. Ito yung naglilink sa atin ng crypto asset natin to our fiat, no? Kasi without this card, it is not easy to withdraw your crypto. Like for example, meron kang Bitcoin, meron kang Ethereum. No, it's not easy to withdraw it into peso. So, and this is the purpose of this card, no? To bridge between the crypto asset into fiat asset. So, meron itong dalawang purpose. Number one, global spending. Pwede po ito gamitin pangbili ng mga items from any department store, from any restaurant na nag-accept ng Visa at saka Master, because this is powered by Visa and Mastercard. So, that's global spending. Number two, withdrawal, no? Withdrawal ng pera. So from your crypto asset, no, you can withdraw it in peso kung nandito ka sa Pilipinas. If you are in Japan, you can withdraw your crypto into yen. Or if you are in the US, you can withdraw crypto into dollars. So ganito kaganda itong produkto na to. So ginawang mas easier yung paggamit ng ating crypto or yung pag-withdraw ng ating crypto into the form of peso or dollar. So number two, meron tayong Aurum Exchange. Exchange is a platform wherein you can buy and sell crypto assets. So pwede ka nang magbenta, pwede ka nito mag-hold ng mga assets, so pwede ka mag-stake, no? So this is just like Binance and OKX, no? Binance and OKX are the two biggest crypto exchange in the whole world. And then tayo, we also step uh, into that arena, no? So ano yung advantage ng ating Aurum Exchange? So it is powered by Polygon network, no? Tumatakbo itong exchange natin sa Polygon. So meron itong apat na advantages. Number one, zero price impact means zero slippage. Mabilis yung execution, no? And then ang leverage is up to 100, and then napakababa ng transaction fees. So mabilis, mababa yung transaction fees. That is the features of Aurum Exchange. So third product, meron tayong RWA. So RWA stands for Real World Asset Tokenization. So ano ba yung mga example ng real world asset like real estate, mga condominium, lote, di ba? Mga buildings. Another one is gold. So an ordinary person cannot simply invest in real estate or gold kasi sobrang mahal. You need millions, no, pesos or dollars para makapag-invest ka into real estate or gold. So the first product, RWE product dito sa Aurum Foundation is gold because gold is a globally established store of value, di ba? Yun po yung ano natin kaya mayroon tayong gold reserve kasi it protects and it store our assets. Pero mayroon tatlong problema ang gold. So what are those three problems? Number one, kung bumili ka ng gold, mahal. Number three, kung mag-keep ka ng gold, delikado. So, kailangan mo mag-rent ng vault sa bank para doon mo iponin yung gold mo. So, you are now paying fees every month sa vault. Number three, it will not give you yield. Tarang constant yield ba? So, for example, nagbumili ka ng gold ngayon. What if after 1 year bumagsak? So, bumagsak yung value ng pera ng asset mo. So, hindi siya magbigay ng fixed income kung mag-store ka lang ng gold. So, with RWA, yung tatlong problema na yan ay sinisolve ng Aurum Foundation. So, the solution is the 50-50 investment model. So, what does it mean? 50% of your investment goes to real gold or gold allocation and you are discounted 30%. So, yun, na-save na. So, if you say mahal ang gold, so dito, pag bili mo ng gold, 50% ay allocated to gold with 50% discount. And pangalawa, ang 50% is traded into gold na magbibigay sa inyo ng 7 to 10% kita every month. So may gold ka, kumikita ka. And then number three, yung keeping ng gold. So paano ba masolve yung cost of keeping the gold? Now, itong gold natin is futures. So makukuha natin yung gold natin, okay? Now after a year. So we have the options to get the real gold or tokenized gold after the lock-in of 1 year. So halimbawa, no? Ang pinaka-minimum natin na investment sa RWE is $100. So $50 goes to gold, discounted 30%, and then the remaining 50% goes to trading. So after 1 year, it's either you can get your real gold or tokenized gold. At the same time, you can get the profit from the gold. So with your $100, meron kang almost $90 na profit. At the same time, meron kang almost $90 din na gold. So yung pera mo nag-grow dito sa RWA. Okay? Now what if $300 yung investment mo? So yung average return per year is nasa 65.7, no? $600 nasa 67.8%. Ang pinakamalaki na package is 25,000 USDT pero yung return natin every year is 78.3%. This is so much higher than the bank. Di ba? Kung may pera ka sa bangko, mga 1% or less lang yan yung kita niya every year. But dito, you can see with our RWA packages, you can get gold at a lower price at the same time kumikita ka sa gold. Di ba? Who can give us 60 to 78% income per month by simply buying our RWA products. Okay? Number four, meron tayong AI-powered bot, no? Itong si EXEI bot. This is our number 4 product. Now, ano ba yung features ng bot na to? Guys, this is a fully autonomous trading system, no? This designed to maximize our profitability, no? So first feature, automated performance. No, wala ka ng copy trading, you just plug in sa system, no? Yung EXAI bot na yung magti-trade for us, no? And the bot trades across multiple pairs, no? Optimizing strategies for maximum profit. So multi-pair trading. Mean to say, magti-trade siya ng BTC, USDT, magti-trade siya ng Ethereum, depende kung ano yung assets na maganda yung takbo sa market. And number three, proven yung returns. Guys, for over 2.5 years, no? Very consistent yung performance ng bot na to. In fact, it demonstrate an average profit of 17.5% per month. And kagagadahan ng bot na to, gumagamit siya ng advanced risk management, no? So if the bot says that there is a risk in the capital, no, it will deploy a risk management system. Kung hindi pa niya kaya, no, kaya i-mitigate yung risk, no, meron itong mga human supervisors that will off or kill the bot para mas safe yung capital natin. Okay, so ito yung performance niya since February 2023 hanggang January of 2026, no, this year. So the average is 17.5%. So hindi lahat ng trading panalo. May mga trading na ano din, loss. Kasi win, loss tayo. But at the end of the month, as we can see here, panalo. No, panalo yung AI natin. So again, that's 17.5% per month average, no, for the past 2.5 years. So ano ba yung makukuha natin dito sa 17.5%? So mayroon tayong client sharing. So if you put in $100 dito sa bot na to, your share is 60%. So bibigyan ka ng 60% of 17.5. So that is equivalent to 10.49% per month. Kung nasa 449 yung investment mo dito, that's 65% and this is 11.37 per month. Guys, lumaki yung capitalization mo dito sa boat like $1,000, you will get 12.24% per month. For $2,500, that is 13.12% per month. For $5,000, $13.99 per month. For $10,000, that's 14.87%. Now, can you imagine if you have $10,000 dito sa bot? And how much is the earning per month? That's $1,487 dollars per month. That's more than 90,000 in peso. No, for me, if meron akong halagang for that amount naka-trade ngayon, that is my expense every month. So minimal libre yung expenses ko pag I will put in $10,000 dito sa bot na to and that is my project. Yun talaga yung project ko in the next few months na maka yung total capitalization ko sa bot nito aabot ng $10,000 uh, in capital. So if you have $25,000, that's 15.74%. Ang pinakamataas is $50,000 with 16.62% per month client share. Di ba? So, uh, in today's situation, I think mahirap makahanap ng ganitong klaseng profit every month, no? And another feature of this bot is meron itong compounding features. So, what is meant by compounding? So, yung kita mo, for example, sa $10,000 na kapital mo, ang kita niya is 1,487 in 1 month. So, pwede mo i-compound yan. So, compound meaning ibalik mo, idagdag mo sa kapital mo so that in the second month, yung capitalization mo will become 11,487. So, and the profit again, you will earn 1,708 in the next month. So, total balance mo is 13,000. So, as you can see here, guys, if you compound it every month, makikita natin na yung pera mo, yung $10,000 mo, nag-double siya in 5 months. And then, nag-triple siya in 8 months. Nag-times 4 siya in 10 months. Nag-times 5 siya in 12 months. For this amount. If you put in $100, yung minimum natin, siguro it will double in 6 to 7 months. No? Mas mabilis yung pag-double ng pera mo sa compounding if mas malaki yung ating initial capital. But don't worry, you can start at $100 capitalization dito sa bot na to. But there is an operating regulation for this particular bot. So number one, again, ang projected return dito every month is up to, or the average is 17.5% per month. And then the activation of this bot will take in 12 to 24 hours from the deposit. And then yung profit niya is every day. Hindi siya monthly. Profit will be accrued daily, papasok sa wallet natin. In the accumulated profit, no? Uh, is available for withdrawal 24/7. And then dadating sa wallet natin yan, sa crypto wallet in 48 to 72 hours. Now, ang kagandahan nito guys, if at any time magkaroon tayo ng emergency, no, gusto nating i-withdraw yung capital natin, wala na tayong magawa, wala na tayong ibang mapuntahan, yung capital na lang natin. So pwede natin yan ma-withdraw 3 times in a month. So yung withdraw button sa capital is available on the 1st, on the 10th, and the 20th of each month. And if yung withdrawal natin is within the first 365 days, meron siyang 35% na termination fee. Okay? So basta i-withdraw natin yung capital before 1 year, meron charge na 35%. Why? This is a safety net sa company. Kasi once you put in i-capital dito sa bot, nag-PP out yan ng mga direct commission sa agents. Nagbibigay yan ng mga incentives sa agents. So if iabuso natin yung system, maglagay tayo ng pera para lang kumita tayo, and at the same time i-withdraw natin, magko-collapse yung company. So this is a safety net na protected yung company. But the profit naman, the profit you can withdraw it at any time as long as aabot ng $25. So kung everyday may kita ka na $25, you can withdraw it, no? And then also guys, if yung kita natin is i-reinvest natin, i-compound natin, no? It also starts its own 365 days period, no? At the early withdrawal fee uh, will also apply. But again, after the 365 days period, wala nang termination fee yan. So ang normal lang natin, regular natin nga withdrawal is the 1% uh, withdrawal fee, no? At meron pa yung mga network fee na i-charge na also very minimal, no? I-compare natin sa ibang mga platform that will charge us 5, 10, or even 12%. Okay? Next product that we have is yung EXEI Pro. Ito yung upgraded version ng EXEI natin. So ano ba yung kaibahan? So ang kaibahan nito ng Pro na to is that wala itong 365 days lock-in. So you can withdraw your fund and profit at any time, no? And then ang return nito, ang profit natin is up to 10% per month. So again, the difference between this AXI Pro and the AXI is wala itong uh, lock-in na 365 days, and then uh, you can withdraw it anytime, and the earning is up to 10% per month. Kaya lang, merong requirement. You need to have an active EXEI bot, yung standard natin, para maka-avail tayo dito sa bot na to. And then number 6, we have an Aurum Zeus AI bot, no? So itong bot naman ito, this is also an upgraded version sa AXEI, no? And then what is the difference of this bot, no? Ang bot na to can give us up to 15% monthly returns kung dito tayo magti-trade sa BNB, sa Dodge at saka PP. But if mag-trade tayo sa BTC at saka Ethereum, that's up to 10%, no? So the main difference is mas malaki yung profit if mag-trade tayo sa BNB, and the second one is yung return natin ay hindi naka-USDT. So ang kita natin dito, if for example nag-trade tayo sa BNB, BNB din yung kita. Kung nag-trade tayo sa PP, PP din yung kita. Unlike sa AXEI at saka Pro, ang kita natin always USDT. And again, wala din itong 365 days contract. You can withdraw your capital and profit at any time. Withdrawal fee is 1% plus network fee. The processing time is 72 hours. Okay. Number 7. Ito yung pinakabago nating AI trading agents. We call it Nero. Yung Nero natin is non-custodial. Ibig sabihin, non-custodial, yung pera natin ay hindi nadadaan sa Aurum natin na back office. Yung pera natin galing sa Trust Wallet or MetaMask will be directly connected doon sa Nero platform, no? So hindi siya dadaan sa Aurum back office. And then nasa beta testing pa rin ito, no? Naka beta testing pa rin ito, pero yung profit niya for the last 3 months, grabe guys, for the first month 22%, on the second month 28%, on the third month 31%. Ang minimum lang dito is $1,000. So can you imagine meron kang 1,000 dito tumatakbo, and then kumikita ng 30% in 1 month, that's $300 a month for your $1,000 capital. 'Di ba? Napakaganda ng product na to. Yung number 8, meron tayong neobank. This is the future of digital banking. Ang purpose ng neobank natin is to connect, no? Dito natin makikita yung mga bots na ginagamit natin, no, yung live trading results sa bot, no, pati activation ng card, no, top up, global use, no. Pwede ka mag-transfer and receive ng crypto asset po dito, and ma-check po natin yung balances natin sa business natin, at also the balances of our card. Okay, so napakaganda ng product na to, and this is you can download it via uh, Go Apple, no, Android, and even Telegram. So mas the best ito gamitin sa Telegram kasi napakabilis ng Telegram with this app. Okay? So balikan natin. Meron ba tayong marketable products? Kasi ang daming mga platform ngayon nagsilabasan, pero hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga yung produkto nila, 'di ba? So, we have just discussed with you the products meron si Aurum Foundation. And going back to the question, meron ba kayong marketable products? The answer is yes. Kasi lahat ng mga output ng products natin ay pira, and we all need money. Everyone needs money. No, even the church needs money. Even the government needs money. No, anyone, any companies needs money. So we have a very marketable products. Okay, so maganda yung product. The second question, meron ba itong legit company? Meron ba itong mga totoong tao na nagpatakbo ng business na to? 'Di ba? Kasi common problem sa mga platform, di natin alam kung sino yung CEO, saan yung opisina nila. Ni minsan walang nakakita ng CEO nila, no? Walang nakapunta sa office nila. What the experience lang is yung kumikita sila, no? Kumikita sila up to when, no? So, ang daming na biktima. Ako din, isa ako sa biktima ng ganong platform kasi part yan sa risk, no? Basta trimmer ka, risk taker ka, no? We are a risk taker. So kaya lang gamitin natin yung experience natin to be more proactive, no? To be more mas mag due diligence tayo sa mga companies na sasalihan natin next. Kaya dito guys, I spent more than 2 weeks to study about this company, and I was amazed, no? Napakaganda ng company na to. So, di tayo kakabahan every day if dito tayo sa Aurum. So, Aurum was established in November of 2024 sa Hong Kong, no, with 1 million authorized capital. And then, I think after a year, so, Aurum Foundation opened its corporate office in Dubai because Dubai is the crypto hub. So, ito yung opisina niya sa Dubai. For those who are nearby this place, no? The address is 18th floor, no? 6, the Exchange Tower, Business Bay in Dubai. Okay. Now, ano ba yung legal and corporate structure ng Aurum? No, Aurum guys is built on a transparent and multi-jurisdiction legal foundation that support global operations. Kaya we are not just registered in one country. So meron din tayong registration in Poland, no? They call it Warsaw, no? Meron tayong business registration doon. We also have a license in Dubai. We also have a license in Hong Kong and a license in Canada. So, meron tayong 4 countries wherein we are registered, duly registered, and then the next one is US market. Kasi yung US market guys is the most, no? The largest financial and fintech market. no, globally. So target nila hopefully, no, ma-realize natin to. So in this year, no, they are preparing all the regulatory requirement, and then they want entry in the US in 2027, and that is next year. So i-pray natin guys na makakuha tayo ng complete approval doon sa US. Okay, now ito yung mga coming products ng Aurum Foundation. Meron tayong POS system. Ang kaibahan ng POS system natin is it can accept crypto, no? So physical product po ito, and also yung ATM natin is also a physical product. Guys, the Philippines is on the radar, no, for uh, registration, no, licensing sa Pilipinas, but as to when we don't know. Kasi we cannot be approved, no, we cannot use this ATM in the Philippines, pati yung POS natin pag wala tayong registration. So soon, no, magkaroon tayo ng registration sa Pilipinas, and we can simply operate dito po. Okay, now this company is led by its CEO, si Brian Binson. So Brian Binson is a Web3 pioneer with 27 years experience sa crypto, blockchain, and DeFi across global markets. He is also a former director ng Binance. No? So, real person with real experience. No? Totoong tao talaga. No? Ay, hindi lang siya totoong tao. He is also exposed in global speaking engagement sa mga crypto events like Token 2049, the Builders Roundtable, no? The Blockchain Show, no? And he even one of the member of Forbes Finance Council, no? So, and not only that, no? Hindi lang siya totoong expert sa industry, no? Pinuntahan pa rin siya ng nila Sir Mars Lubido and his wife, no? Pinuntahan sa opisina nila para makausap nila personally. Iba talaga pag nakita natin yung CEO at nakausap, no? Na hindi nagawa sa mga ibang mga company na ngayon nagko-collapse, no? So it is understood na the company, no, Aurum is a real company, no, na talagang run by real and exemplary individuals. So aside from Binson, no, there's also Andrew Isaacs. This is our chief operating officer with more than 18 years of experience sa uh, fintech, no, and institutional finance, no. Galing po siya sa Morgan Stanley, one of the biggest traditional finance company in the whole world. And also Galaxy Digital and Evercore. So with Andrew Isaac and Brian Binzo ay marami pang iba, no? From Ahmad Zen, our marketing director, from Shane Moran, our chief network development officer, no? Leonardo Galindez, no? Executive officer of Aurum Exchange. We have iRisky, Nicholas Killand, no? Brent Folfer, and Tobias Bauer, no? So, ang dami nila guys. We also have foreign relation, no? With regards to all our gold product, kasi yung provider nating gold products is the government of Sierra Leone. And that's why the Aurum Foundation get these personalities, no, to help Aurum in those regions. So actually, no, the number of people, no, with real experience in finance, blockchain, and AI driven trading, no, more than 35 plus. So 8 of them are data analysts, 10 of them are software developers from IBM, OKX, Binance, Morgan Stanley, and 7 of them are financial analysts, no. Do you think na yung mga tao na yon are creating Aurum para lang mang-scam? I don't think so. Because they have their respective credibility. So napakaganda ng mission and vision nila na yung AI, no, makatulong sa atin na lumaki yung kita natin through digital assets. So as of now, ito yung key achievements ng Aurum since 2024. Yung trading volume nila or asset under management ay umabot na ng more than $150 million with $25 million doon sa arbitrage trading. no? So they have 8 products, yun na mention natin, mayroong 8 products na. And then yung user nila, no, this is as of 2 months ago, 170,000 users, but right now guys, we are approaching 200,000 users globally, no? And then mga six less than 1,000 of that, no, galing sa Pilipinas. So kaya we are doing this every night, no, every day, para masuportahan yung mga partners natin na makapag-invite, no? So every day invite tayo, no? Send the link ng Zoom para dumami yung ma-inform natin sa napakagandang opportunity na to. Okay, so this is the roadmap of this company. So right now, nasa 2026 tayo. Yung target next year is US registration with 500 million asset under management. No? Yung EUM is asset under management yan. So right now, nasa 150 million mahigit. But next year, aabot yan ng $500 million asset under management. Yung valuation ng company in 2029 is targeted at 50 billion. In 2033, 100 billion. In 2035, 150 billion. The basis of these figures is based on the number of products that we have and the number of users that is growing every day. At also for the products that are na naka-line up. So this is our target for the next 10 years. No? This is a 10 years roadmap, guys. So uh, before 2035, ang dami na siguro mga millionaires, mga Pinoy dito sa Orong. Okay, so the company is great, no? The products are good, no? Paano ba how can I get started? No, paano ba ako maka-avail ng mga product ng Orong? Guys, this is an ecosystem of the company. Within the ecosystem are products, 8 products that are linked, that are connected with each other. But the entrance, the entry, no, or the access of all those products is the ecosystem subscription. No, kailangan natin bumili ng subscription of $19.99 per year para maka-access tayo to any or all of the products of Aurum. And again, no, the annual subscription is only 300 no, is only $19.99 per year. And siguro for the next year, hindi na tayo magka-problema sa yearly kasi ang mga products na gagamitin natin can truly give us, no, income, hindi lang monthly but every day. Okay, now, sa 8 products, Coach Romel, ano ba yung uunahin natin? Siyempre, dito tayo sa pinaka-versatile, no, na EXAI bot. Kasi proven na ito for last 2.5 years, napaka-proven na nito. So dito tayo guys magsimula. Okay? And then nakikita naman natin ang ganda ng performance ng bot na to for the past 2.5 years. The average is 17.5% per month. And then kung meron kang 100, you can start. So yung 100 mo ay kikita ng $10 per month, no? Saan ba tayo makahanap ng financial tool na magbigay sa atin ng 10% per month na walang kaba? No? As your capital increases, ang kita mo din is sa tataas, and target ko at least dito sa $10,000 para I can withdraw, no? Almost $1,500 per month. And again, mayroon din itong compounding features ang product na to. So for $10,000 kaya magdubli ang pera mo by 5 months, kayang mag-triple in 8 months, kaya mag times 4 in 10 months, mag times 5 in 1 year. But if 100 ka nag-start, siguro mag-double yan in 6 to 7 months. But again, uh, the good news is our money is working for us. No, our money is working for us. So start investing, start using our product para mag-start na tayong kumita every day. Okay, so yun. So this is just an example doon sa ating back office system na makikita mo yung deposit mo, and there's also a profit calculator na if you put in $10,000 and you compound it, no? Kinu-compound mo for 2 years, yung $10,000 mo maging $461,000 in just 2 years. no? So you can change the amount. Pwede mo ilagay 100, no, 1,000, and then you can also change the duration, 1 year, 2 years, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, also, sa mga products na meron tayo, ang EXEI bot lang ang check lahat. So, mayroong commissions, mayroong team sales commission, may legacy volume for rank up, mayroong profit sharing, mayroong shareholder bonus, at saka mayroong company. Kaya, lahat tayo dito, ito yung bibili o gagamitin natin. And then if you have extra money, you can use the Pro, you can use the Zeus EI, you can buy Aurum card, you can buy our Flash Loan, you can buy our Nero. Diba? But dito tayo magsimula. Itong EXA bot kasi all of the above, eh, meron po siya. Okay. So, the third question, can I make money without recruiting people? Or is money working for me? Di ba the answer is yes? No, the answer is yes. In Aurum, pwede kang user lang. No, pwede kang clients lang. User of the products within the ecosystem. So yung pinakita natin, pwede tang kumita ng 10%, 12%, even 16% per month using EXEI. Or if you want to invest in gold, pwede kang kumita ng 60% pahigit in 1 year. So, depende lang kung anong product gusto mong bilhin, guys. But the answer, can I make my money without recruitment? Yes. Recruitment is not required. Okay? Recruitment is para lang sa mga affiliate like me na gusto mag-build up ng $10,000 capital kasi 100 lang yung capitalization ko to start. So I'm building this I'm sharing this opportunity through affiliate program. Okay? So then now because in Orom, no, pag gumamit ka ng one or any or all of our product, you become an investor. No, you become an investor. No, your money works for you even while you sleep. Kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Tingnan mo to, 'di ba? So, if you are employed dito sa Pilipinas or outside the Philippines, no, you are trading your time for money. If you don't work, you don't earn, no? And for how long man tayo kikita? Kung meron kang negosyo, you are self-employed. You are trading still your time and skills with money. If you are a business owner, no, you still need people's time to make money. At dito napakaganda, no? No, you have money working for you with the products, no, and tools na ma-access natin with Aurum Foundation. Okay? So, ito yung example ng $10,000 na nilagay sa EXEI bot, no? Ang kita niya per day is ranging from 44 to 64 or even $70 per day. So, kung ang minimum withdrawal natin is nasa $25 lang, so every day you can withdraw. Pero nakikita natin dito is naka auto reinvestment. Auto reinvestment means yung lahat ng mga kita na to binalik doon sa kapital para ma-trade, no? That's for compounding. And this is the account of Sir Mars Lubido na na was deposited last July or August of 2025 last year. So wala pang 1 year, guys. Pero in my knowledge, itong account na to, itong $10,000 na to is more than double. Kasi more than 5 months na to eh. Hindi pa niya winidraw yung kita niya. Kasi yung withdrawal niya, ginamit niya for operation sa business is yung rewards niya dito sa Aurum Foundation. Okay. Now, can I withdraw? Or how can I withdraw my profit or even my capital? Napaka-simple, guys. Sa back office natin, there is a button withdraw. You just click on withdraw button and then you select the asset that you want to use like USDT. What is the address and what is the network? You just click continue within 48 to 7 hours, 72 hours or sabihin na natin 80 hours. No, mga 3 days. Pasok sa wallet mo yung amount mo na withdraw. Okay? And ito yung mga evidence of withdrawal. No? May withdrawal na $10,000 si Sir Mars. May withdrawal na 4,500, 5,000. And on the right side, ito yung transaction hash or transaction history. This is publicly available and this is indelible. Kasi ang crypto is public eh. Lahat ng mga transactions ay makikita online. No? Okay, so wala tayong problema sa withdrawal. Okay, so I think we have discussed the products, the company, the people behind and the opportunity, dito sa Aurum Foundation. So guys, we are into the company is an EI Finance. I mean to say it involves uh, risk. Okay, so basahin ko lang itong disclaimer na to. This presentation is meant to share information about Aurum and should not be taken as a financial advice or a guarantee of results. No? All financial decisions carry risk and your outcomes depend on your personal skills, market understanding and risk tolerance. No? The information provided in this material is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. So before making any decisions, we recommend conducting your own analysis and considering your own personal financial situation, compliance with local laws, and the responsibility of each user. And please remember that financial activities involve risk and never allocate more funds that you're willing to lose and always act within your personal level of comfort and responsibility. So standard ko ito, binasa lang natin. Okay? Dito sa Aurum guys, now even if you say anything in finance has a risk, totoo yan. No? Everything in life has a risk. In my study lang, in my due diligence, mas maraming potential dito kaysa risk. Mas risky if we will miss this uh, opportunity. Okay, so for those who want to build bigger type of income through affiliate program or Aurum or partner program, you can watch these few slides. No, again, this is optional. Okay, this is optional kasi by simply using our products, your money will work for you. And for this one, this is an income booster sa mga taong katulad ko na builder talaga, no? So I want rewards, no? I want to make more money na ilagay ko sa kapital. I am building this, no? I am building the partner program. If you want, no? Pwede nyo kaming sabayan dito sa partner program. So I will discuss sa napakagandang affiliate program ng Aurum Foundation. So meron tayong 5 types of income dito. Yung direct sales, ito yung direct commission or referral commission from 3% up to 18.5%. Meron din itong team sales. Ito yung team override, no, from 5% to 18.5%. And then merong extra bonus dito. Sobrang laki ng extra bonus dito sa Aurum. And then meron itong profit share. Profit share means pag kumita yung mga grupo mo sa trading, mayroon kang match. Yung matching ng ating profit sharing starts from 5% up to 30%. At meron itong shareholder bonus or pag na-achieve mong isang certain rank like the Aurum Oracle, no, kasama ka na sa hatian sa shareholder poll. Okay, so let's dive in, no? So, as a beginner, no, pag nag-put in tayo ng $20 at saka $100, yung level natin is 3%. No? This is what we call direct commission. Na kung maka-refer tayo ng someone na nag-allocate ng $100 sa bot, meron kang $3. But as soon as your team volume, no? Team volume means from your first direct up to infinity. Pag umabot yan at $7,500 in trading volume, you will become a Voyager. Maging 5% na yung direct sales commission mo. And then you will receive a $100 reward. Then mayroon kang 5% match sa team profit mo. So kung yung team mo kumita ng $100 per day, mayroon kang $5. Okay? Now, pag nag-grow yung legacy mo, no? Yung volume mo to 25,000, maging vanguard ka. If you are a vanguard, mag 7% na yung direct sales mo and then yung profit match mo is 7.5%, you will receive $500 reward. Pag mag-grow up to 62,500 yung trading volume mo, you will become a Vanguard Pro. 9% na yung direct sales commission mo. And then meron kang $1,000 na reward. 10% na yung profit match mo. And then pag nag 125,000 yung trading volume mo, you will become Nixos. Yun, Nixos ka. And then yung direct sales commission mo is 10.5%. You will receive $2,000 in bonus at 12.5% na yung profit match mo. Once umabot ka ng 250,000 na trading volume, you will become an oracle with 12%. Lumalaki na yung ano mo, direct sales commission, 12%. You will receive $5,000 na reward. 15% na yung profit match mo sa team. Meron ka ng share dito sa shareholder bonus. So, ang oracle pala, no, yung 5 steps from Voyager to Vanguard, Vanguard Pro, to Nixos and to Oracle, no, nandito nag-start na kikita ka sa lahat ng kitaan sa Aurum. And next is Prime. Yung Prime 625,000, no? You will receive 13.5% na direct sales commission. You will get $10,000 na reward with 17.5% profit share, kasama ka rin sa shareholder bonus. And then next is yung Elite, Aurum Elite with 1.25 million na capital volume, no? And then you will get 14.5% direct commission, $20,000 reward with 19% profit share. Pag umabot ang trading volume mo sa team ng 2.5 million dollars, you will become a magnate, no? A magnate has a reward of $50,000, guys. As your rank grows, like Mythos, $100,000, Legion is $150,000, Aurum Dominion is 12, no? Ang Aurum Dominion is 25 million with $500,000 na reward. Archon is $1 million na reward. No, Pantheon, guys, 2 million. Alpha is $3 million in reward. So, ganun kalaki ang rewards natin. Hindi pa kasama yung profits niyan at saka direct sales commission at saka yung trading capital. So, i-total natin, guys. Before that, no? Before that, may naka-achieve na ba ng mga Pinoy sa mga malaking rank? No, itong magnat na to nakuha na nila ni Sir Mars Lobido and Ma'am Jeannie. So each of them, no, is magnat yung level. So they receive already $50,000 in April. And yung sponsor nila si Suman, no, ito po, isa Singaporean, no, is a legend. And then he already got his $150,000 na reward. And then the sponsor of Suman is HP, no, an Irishman. So his label is Arcon, no. He already received his $1 million dollars na reward. Napakatindi, napakaganda ng kitaan. And in the total rank bonus na makukuha natin dito sa Aurum, pag nakuha natin yung pinaka Mount Everest, yung pinakataas na rank called Alpha, is total of $6.8 million. No, not including the direct sales bonus, not including the profit sharing bonus, not including the shareholder bonus, at not including yung kita natin from our own trading. Di ba? So napakaganda. And then I studied the marketing plan of Aurum at nakita ko na yung Voyager isang line lang pala. Mean to say, kahit isa lang yung direct mo, pag umabot ng $7,500 ang volume mo, maging Voyager ka, you will get $100 reward. For Vanguard, dalawang Voyagers lang, so dalawang legs. Vanguard Pro, dalawang Vanguards lang din. Yung Nixos, dalawang Vanguard Pro. Yung Oracle, dalawang Vanguard Pro. Yung Prime, dalawang Nixos and one Vanguard Pro. So, 3 legs. No? And yung ano naman, yung Elite, 3 legs. Yung Magnat, 3 legs pa rin. So, yung Prime, 3 legs. Yung Legion, 3 legs. Yung Magnat, yung Dominion is 3 legs. Yung Archon is 3 legs. Yung Pantheon is also 2 legs na lang yung Pantheon at saka Alpha. So, guys, meaning to say, pwede natin gawa ng system para maabot natin yung pinakatuktok ng rank, which is the Mount Everest or Alpha dito sa Aurum. Kaya for tonight, no? gumagawa tayo ng system na susundin natin. Now, starting tonight, no, lahat ng mga members na dito sa Orom, ito yung roadmap that we are going to follow. No, tinatawag natin ito na Global Alpha Project. Dapat yung lahat tayo, yung target natin is to become an alpha. Okay? So, paki-type 1 sa gustong maging alpha, no? Yung project natin, this is a 4 months, sa 14 months project, no? This is a 14 months project, alpha project. So, tingnan natin kung mayroon bang gustong sumali sa ating project, 14 months project to become an alpha, no? Paki-type 1 dito sa chat box natin. Thank you, Sir Ray, no? No? So, for your commitment. So, what is this project all about? Napakasimple ng system, guys. Get your 3 clients or partners ASAP, and then yung excess of 3, you give it away. Do not connect, no? Do not build more than 3. So, tatlo lang yung ano natin. If this is you, get your first 3 direct ASAP, and kung mayroon kang excess of 3, mayroon kang 4, 5, you give it away. Bigay mo sa ilalim. Mean to say as in, ibigay kasi wala tayong spillover. So, pag sinabing give it away, you give it the direct commission. Kayo po yung actual na sponsor pero binigay mo sa ilalim, no? Para matulungan natin silang makaakyat din sa Mount Everest. So, this is a system that we're going to follow. Okay? So, let's calculate, no? I-calculate natin. Anong mangyari pag we follow this, ano? Stop share muna ako, ha. I-calculate natin because we're almost done. Okay. Just wait for a while. Coach Paul, please help me, Coach, to calculate. Okay, so i-implement natin yung get your first 3 ASAP, and then in excess of 3, you give it away. Okay, so this is you. Halimbawa, first month, Coach Ray, nakahanap ng 3. Guys, ako is nakumpleto ko na to kasi nag-start ako April 1. So May 1, June 1, magto 2 months ako. So kuha ko na to. So ang requirement ng okay, so first one, dito lang tayo sa minimum, ha, yung $100. Okay, lahat ng 3 mo start at $100. So what will happen? Kung mayroon kang 3 in the first month, magkano yung LB mo? Yung LB is 40 times 3. That's 120 LB. Okay, so wala pati yung rank kasi yung Voyager rank, okay, kailangan natin ng 3,000 LV. Okay, nag-duplicate. On the second month, yung 3 naging siyam. So, ilang LB yan, Coach? So, 40 times 9. 360 LB. Okay? So, hindi pa rin tayo Voyager niyan. On the third month, yung siyam naging 27 kasi power of 3, di ba? So, yung 27 na yan times 3. No? 27 times 40 pala. Kay 40 LB. So, 27 times 40, that's 1,000. Yung ano natin, LB. Hindi pa rin tayo Vanguard niyan. On the fourth month, yung 27 mo, naging 81. Di ba? So, magkano yung LV sa 81 times 40? That is 3,000 to 40. So, Voyager ka. Voyager ka. Ito yung pinakamahirap na step. Yung sponsor ko si Coach Juperly, nakuha ang Voyager in just 1 month. Diba? So, I mean to say, very kayable po ito, yung Voyager in 4 months. Now, on the 5th month, ang 81, naging ano power of 3, naging 243. Naging 243 times natin ng 40, that is 9,720. And this is very close for the Vanguard. Vanguard. Okay? Ang Vanguard is 10,000 LB yung kailangan natin. So, pwede tayo mag-Vanguard in 5 months. Yung sponsor ng sponsor ko, si Doc Erica, is naging Vanguard in less than 2 months. So, yung 5 months to become a Vanguard, very possible. Number 6, yung 243 mo, naging 729. Okay, naging 729 times 40. Ang LB niyan is 29,000 LB. So, the next rank is 25,000 LB yung kailangan, yung Vanguard Pro. Vanguard Pro ka dito, guys. Vanguard Pro. No? Wala pang Vanguard Pro sa Pilipinas. So, Doc Erica is coming. Na malapit na yan maging Vanguard Pro. Now, on the 7th month, yung 729 mo, naging 2,187. At yung LV niya is naging 87,000. The 87,000, guys, your level is now Nexus. Nexus. Kasi Nexus requirement is only 61,500. And on the 8th month, okay, on the 8th month, yung 2,187 mo, naging 6,561 with LB of 262,000. You will become Oracle kasi ang requirement ng Oracle is only 125,000. So dito mo makukuha profit sharing, malaki yung team, mayroon kang shareholder bonus, lumalaki na yung direct sales commission mo, lumalaki na rin yung team profit sales mo, at lalaki yung income mo rito. Guys, if we continue this hanggang 14 months, makukuha natin yung alpha, the Mount Everest of Aurum Foundation. And take note, guys, take note, yung starting natin is $100 lang. And right now sa team natin, mayroong 500, may 300, may 1,000, may 1,400 na kapital. At hindi pa kasama nito ang compounding. Kasi ang compounding daily also nagpapalaki yan ng ating trading capital sa team. Di ba? So can you see how possible is this? And the more it is possible, kasi yung number of partners and users sa Pilipinas ay less than 1,000. So, the product of Orong is for everyone regardless of period. So, yung mga trade, yung mga products natin na Orong card, yung product natin na RWE Gold, yung ating AXEI bot, yung Nero, and more products to come, it doesn't mean kung sasali ka 5 years, 10 years from now. Kasi it's a product that everyone needs. But if you want to earn big through affiliate program, 5 years from now, medyo mahirap. No? Kasi dadami tayo. Siguro 1 year, 2 years from now, maging million users na sa Pilipinas pa lang. Di ba? So, the affiliate program of Aurum is not for everyone. And yung potential dito is also mas malaki ang potential if you do it now. But again, you have to take note na yung product natin, walang problema kung kailan ka gagamit yan. Today ba, ngayon ba, or bukas ba, or next year ba. Pero if you want the affiliate program opportunity to give you more rewards, you do it now. And that's why ako, si Coach Paul, no, we will do a tour starting Sunday sa Bismin. Okay, so kung taga Bohol ka, kita-kits tayo. If you have prospects in Bohol, i-plug in, i-connect sa amin yan. And next is punta kami sa Cagayan, Iligan. So if you have prospects doon or kung taga doon ka, kita-kits po tayo. We will announce the lugar na pupuntahan namin once we get there. Importante, this is the right time. This is the right time no? Na i-work hard natin tong product na to, yung business na to. Okay, so that's it, Coach Paul. If may mga questions, i-assist po natin, Coach.
Sir Romel,
Yes, sir, Ray.
may tanong po.
Yes po.
Ah, sa, sa ating company is pwede po tayong magpre-register. Paano po pag yung downline natin ang naunang nag-activate kaysa sa atin na hindi pa nakapag-activate na upline sa kanila? Anong mangyayari
Yes.
sa income natin?
Okay,
Ma-accumulate
so
ba or mawala siya?
sa experience natin, sir Ray, is kahit hindi ka pa nakapagbayad, no, sa based on our
Yes po.
experience, uh, naka-store lang din yung, like for example, this person, no, itong person na to, i-draw natin itong person na to,
Nag-invest na.
okay, and then ito, dito nag-invest ng $100, no?
Yes po.
Dito sa bot, ito sa $20 wala,
Wala.
wala ding $100,
Hmm.
no? Ibig sabihin, yung $3 niya nakapinding doon sa wallet niya, mag-reflect pa rin yung $3. Mag-reflect pa
Okay.
rin yung $3. Iwan ko lang kung glitch lang ba yan sa system or sadyang binibigay ng system yan, yung $3. No? So far, wala namang tinanggal, wala namang sinabing tinanggal, pati yung kita. But ang gawin lang natin, especially kung may nagbayad na, so dapat i-activate na rin ito. Kasi sayang eh. Sayang. Sayang
Yes
kasi
po.
ah, hindi mo ma-top up eh. Yung $3 mo, you cannot top it up kasi the minimum top up is $1. Yung pag-top up ng compounding. Pero kailangan mo meron kang $100 sa trading. So di ka you cannot top up with $1 at the start. The first top up is 100. So ito, imagine mo, coach, no?
Yes po.
Kikita ito ng $3 and every day, pag ito nag-compound, may kita din ito na $0.01 per day. So
Yes po.
kita niya
Yes
is
po.
$3 plus $0.01 per day. So for me, ASAP, no? Di natin ma-blame kung talagang hirap sa pera. Practice, nakaposisyon na. Ang gawin lang is
Po.
maghanap ng paraan para makapag-activate ng subscription at saka makapag-activate sa trading, no, para masigurado na kuha lahat ng mga commissions. Okay,
Okay.
that's a
Thank you
good
po,
question,
Sir
sorry.
Romel. Thank you.
Napakagandang question po dyan. Grabe, sobrang hataw nila Coach Ray sa sa Dipolog. Kita-kits po tayo diyan, Coach, no? In the coming days.
Okay.
Sige, so baka may mga questions pa. So ang recording na to, no, i-up din natin sa YouTube para pwedeng ma-pass on, pwede magamit as education para sa team natin. Okay, bagay mga questions pa. So bukas, no, 10:30 AM may Zoom tayo na 10:30 ng umaga by Sir Mars Lobido. Then and it will focus more on training on how to activate Nero. Okay? So mag-update pala ako sa iyo, Coach Sir Ray, no? Once meron na akong sagot kay Sir Mars regarding sa AI natin sa
Nurse.
Zeus AI natin.
Yes po. Sige, sige po. Maraming salamat, Sir Romel.
Thank you din, Sir Ray. So may
God
mga
bless. God bless.
questions pa ba dito, guys? So if you have questions, ano lang. Pwede kayo mag-unmute, ha? At pwede kayo mag-message dito sa chat box natin if you have questions. And then, I think there's none. So, bukas wala tayong Zoom sa gabi, pero mayroong Zoom sa umaga. And then also Saturday, wala tayong Aurum kasi regular presentation namin yan sa Zakiko E-commerce Business Club ko. No? So, balik po tayo sa Monday, no? 8 p.m. So once again, no, thank you so much for coming and kita-kits po tayo bukas sa 10:30. and then next Monday po, no? Thank you, and good night and God bless po sa lahat.
Okay po sir, maraming salamat.